Stop scrolling. Seriously, stop. Because the whispers you've been hearing? They're about to become a roar. For 2 years, we've flown the Avata, a game changer that redefined FPV for the masses. It was good. It was great. But what if I told you that everything you know about sinew hoops and consumer FPV is about to change? Again. This isn't just an upgrade. This is a revolution. This is the DJI Avata 3. You clicked on this because you demand to know what's next. You want the truth behind the leaks. You want the feature list that DJI is desperately trying to keep under wraps. Well, for the next 30 minutes, we are going deep. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are cracking the code on the Avata 3. And trust me, by the end of this, you'll realize your wallet is already crying. Let's start with the elephant in the room. The camera. The Avata was held back by its sensor. Not anymore. The Avata 3 is rumored to pack a 1-inch sensor. Yes, you heard that right. A 1-inch sensor in a sinew hoop. Think cinema-grade quality. Think low-light performance that laughs in the face of twilight. This is 6K video capability, friends, not just for a headline, but for truly professional-grade cinematic shots straight out of a crash-resistant drone. But a great sensor needs a great lens, right? Rumor has it the Avata 3 is introducing a variable aperture. That's a massive feature for FPV pilots. No more sacrificing shutter speed to battle a bright sky. You get the perfect exposure and that buttery smooth cinematic motion blur. This is control we've only dreamed of on a drone this size. Slight pause, tone becomes more focused. Now, let's talk about the flight experience. DJI has been listening to the pros. The Avata 3 is expected to finally have a lighter, more streamlined chassis. The bulky, rounded edges are out. We're looking at a design that's more aerodynamic, more efficient, and, crucially, longer flight times. Forget the current 18-minute maximum. Leaks suggest we're breaking the 25-minute barrier, and possibly reaching 30 minutes under ideal conditions. Think about the epic continuous shots you can pull off with that. And safety. It's DJI. They're the best in the business. The current Avata has decent obstacle avoidance, but the Avata 3 is bringing true omnidirectional sensing, forward, backward, sideways, and downward. This isn't just about avoiding a crash. It's about enabling new, impossible shots where you can confidently brush past complex environments. Music becomes slightly more intense. But here's the feature that separates the contenders from the champions. The Avata 3 is rumored to ditch the O3 Plus system and debut DJI O4. What does that mean for you? It means rock-solid, incredibly low-latency video transmission, even in highly congested areas. Think 15-kilometer range with crystal-clear 1080p footage directly to the new Goggles 3. Yes, the Goggles 3. Forget the boxy Goggles 2. The Goggles 3 are rumored to be lighter, offer a vastly improved field of view, and, this is the big one, they might incorporate mixed reality capabilities.